Today we're going to go take a look at what's wrong with my Saab. So in some upcoming videos you'll see that we went on a trip to West Virginia and we rode the four-wheeler, shot some shotguns, went sledding, tubing, all that. So my car was at our house for about a week. So when we come back, I back up the car and there's oil all over the driveway. And when I went to go look at see what's wrong with it, it's leaking from a few different places, what it looks like. So right now my car is at my friend's Andre's house and we're going to check it out. I'm currently in my mom's car right now. And on the way back from West Virginia to Florida, my dad's car broke down twice too. So out of 3 cars that we have in this family, this is the only car that's working right now. All right, rolling up to Andre's house. And there she is. So I went to go put the car on ramps, but the car is too low to go on ramps, so we're gonna have to lay down some wood first. All right, what's up guys? So we got on jack stands now, and we're gonna try to figure out where the oil leaks come from. All right, here it goes. Whee! That is some black oil. Alright, the last bit of oil is draining out. There's the rest of it. Wow, that does not look good. Alright, so right now we are removing the oil filter. It's in a stupid location if you ask me. Alright, so we just got the new oil put in, and we didn't end up dropping the oil pan. We just put some silicone sealant around it, and we're gonna go to AutoZone and pick up some oil additive, and hopefully that'll stop the leak. But I don't think it's gonna be too bad. It's not leaking out right now, so we'll get with you guys once the car's on the ground. It's later tonight, and looking under the car, you can see that no more oil is leaking out where it was leaking out by the oil sensor. We could just put some silicone gasket sealer on it and put some STP oil additive into the oil, so it's not leaking out anymore. We drove it, didn't leak out, and now it's sitting here, it's not leaking. When we did do the oil change, we saw that we were 2 quarts low on oil, but it seems that we have fixed the oil leak, but I did not realize that it was leaking out at all or even that bad, so I'll keep an eye on it. But thanks for watching YouTube, and see you guys later.